As long as we are using the CLAISEN adapter, it just occurred to me that when you do your Grignard reaction a little bit later in the semester, you will be able to then also use it in a reflux capacity. So I'm just going to take this down, okay, and the rest of this like this, and I can use this then as increasing the path for the condenser. Now you say, what does that do? Well, it creates a longer pathway, and it's effective for condensing with very, very volatile liquids like diethyl ether, for instance. Now notice that I have this thing stoppered here so that anything that volatilizes up here doesn't go out this way. The water is still entering in at the bottom and exiting from the top to make sure that the let's start that here. Doesn't have to go fast. Okay, it's going pretty. It's pretty steady now. Okay, so make sure that this is closed right here. Do not put a stopper on here. Don't close this. This is true for any reflux. It's no good. You don't want a closed system in here. Okay, and that's just another use of the CLAISEN adapter, which you see here, so you can see how versatile this equipment is. Now make sure that when you set this up that you always have this clamped down well. If you don't do that, this can tip over, but this looks like it's pretty well settled here. And notice I don't have to use the Keck clamps when gravity is holding this thing all together. It's in the distillation that I have to be very careful that this will not separate from the main body of the round bottom that's over there. Okay, and that's how you can use then the CLAISEN adapter as a piece of equipment for the reflux.